Hello, how are you? I am back again with a very special Monica Vinader unboxing. If you know me, you probably know I am a huge fan of Monica Vinader. I used to actually work in the jewellery industry and I probably own more Monica Vinader jewellery than any other brand. I'm so excited, so let's get into it. Also, if you are a fan of Monica Vinader, then I have a 20% discount code. I will put the link and the code in the description box below. Enjoy, save it for another day, use it on all your friends and family. It's honestly a game changer, 20% off literally everything. It's incredible. Anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. Also, if you don't know Monica Vinader, then make sure you look them up. Their jewellery is absolutely stunning. It's all made of gold and silver and it's all recycled as well. So it's like very ethical, and all their stones are ethically sourced, and it's just a gorgeous, timeless, beautiful brand. Incredible things like warranty, repair service. You just can't ask for any more from a fashion brand. It is incredible and I'm such a big fan. So yeah, let's have a look at what I got. So here is how it comes boxed, and of course they encourage recycling at all points, and this is how it looks on the inside. So this is how it comes packaged, and the really nice thing about it is it comes with the bags as well. So if you're giving it away as a gift, you still get that kind of boutique experience of getting the little bag and the sticker and all that kind of loveliness that really makes it a gorgeous gift. And inside here we have the jewellery, and it is again beautifully presented. This is how the jewellery is presented. So again, it makes a beautiful gift, and you just slip open the drawers and it's beautiful. Also, these little pouches are perfect for keeping your jewellery nice, perfect for travelling, and perfect for keeping all the chains and earrings scratch free. I worked in the jewellery industry, so I can tell you that not enough emphasis is put on looking after your jewellery. If you look after your jewellery, it will last literally years and decades. And my top tip for looking after your jewellery is by packaging it safely when you're not wearing it, and never, ever spray perfume onto it. Doesn't matter what it's made of, gold, silver, costume jewellery, plastic, anything. Just don't spray perfume on it, please, whatever you do. Anyway, back to the jewellery and let's see what I got. So first up, I got this gorgeous necklace. It is so pretty. The chain is gorgeous. The little heart is perfect. It's really tactile and beautifully made. It's gorgeous. And the very best part is that it opens up and it's actually a locket. In case you missed the memo, I actually recently got married, so I really wanted this because I wanted to put a little picture from our wedding day inside my locket. And I just thought it was a beautiful piece of jewellery, let's be honest. I wanted to wear it. It's so beautiful, but it's such a perfect size. The texture is gorgeous. The shade of gold is perfection. And it is made of silver with gold vermeil, which basically means it's gold plated, but with a really thick, solid plating of gold. Because let's be honest, not all gold plating is made equal. Gold vermeil is basically the best kind of gold plating you will find. It's incredible. I've never had an issue with any of my Monica Vinader gold vermeil, but if you do ever have an issue, then they have a 5-year warranty, which you can find more information about on their website. So anyway, here is my necklace and I absolutely love it. Let's put it on. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Look at that. And I'm so excited about getting a little picture from our wedding day put inside. It's just so pretty. And yes, my other necklace, that is also Monica Vinader. What can I say? I'm a big fan. Okay, now it's time to look inside box number 2. Can you guess what it is? So I have been eyeing this up for a while on the website, and I just thought that, oh my God, look at how good it is. I thought it was a bangle, and I just thought that's not for me. I have a toddler. I'm not really a bangle girl. I need something that kind of sits a bit closer to my wrist. And then I discovered this has a hinge. So it's not like a bangle that you're just flopping around on your wrist. It's actually much more fitted. So I feel like this might work. I just hope I have the right size. I think I got the medium, and I didn't bother measuring my wrists, which is a bit of an error. So yeah, fingers crossed it fits. And I didn't just assume I had medium size wrists. So yeah, let's put it on and see if it fits. Okay, thank goodness for that. It fits absolutely perfectly. I love this so much. It is so beautiful and it's so wearable. It's just absolutely stunning. So as you can see, it literally opens up. It's got a little claspy thing there. and it just opens up and closes. It feels really secure, so I really don't have to worry about it. And it's just the most beautiful design. And both pieces are, of course, made of 95 sterling silver and then gold vermeil plating. But seriously, how beautiful is that? I absolutely love it. And of course, I am thrilled with the necklace too. I'm honestly just such a fan. I'm like such a fangirl for this brand. It's crazy. Anyway, that is an unboxing of my latest pieces. I absolutely love both items. I cannot wait to get a picture in my locket. And I know I'm barely going to take the bracelet off as well, so I am thrilled. Anyway, let me know what you think. Did I choose good things? And also, if you do want to buy anything with my 20% discount code, make sure you look in the description box below where you'll find my code and my link, and you're gonna love it. 20% off everything is a game changer. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.